Do not jerk away from me.
Officer King, could you please just talk to me?
No.
I am
Stop
begging.
fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Put your hands behind your
Sir,
back.
I didn't know they were suspended, though. Don't I?
Yeah, you did.
No, you don't.
But why?
You're going to jail.
Sir, why am I going to jail? I didn't know my license was
You're
suspended.
about to make this out.
Please, Officer King.
Put your hands behind your back.
Shut up.
Grandfather,
Put your hands behind your back.
Down.
Stop.
Officer King.
Stop.
Officer King. Please don't
Stop.
do this. Please don't
Y'all
do
can
this.
step
Oh,
up.
you
She's
going?
fighting.
Oh, baby, what you doing?
You go get no. Don't get in there.
Oh, no, baby. She keep calling Officer King, Officer King. Like, baby, that ain't gonna help you. Officer King, ding-a-ling. Whatever you want to be, you the king of everything. Just let me go, baby, please. Oh, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Foosnigga. We are back on another banger reaction video, and it's Monday Blues, or you got the Monday Blues Clues, or you got the Monday energy vibes all over the place. You good. You know, only you gonna go. You either down or you up. Our people, we up. Either way, okay? Either way, mine, okay? We get through it, we go through it. So I know my people's good. Hope you guys had a great day at work. It's Monday. For the people that went to work on a Monday, I hope you guys had a great day. Got to work safe, got home safe, got your Miller in. Now you about to sit back and watch a TV show on the TV. I saw some comments said, man, I was watching this on my phone, but I had to be petty. I got to go watch it on my TV. I started rolling, okay? That was funny. That was funny as hell. Other people got to watch that on the jumbo screen. I'm on a jumbo screen, though? Like, that's hard. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Like, that's hard. I appreciate my people. I love my people. One of y'all know we're going to continue to grow and grow. Now, with that being said, man, it's Monday. We about to tap into a video I got sent. Simple traffic stop turned into a 15 charges. Woo! Wait! 15 of them? Okay, bet. But before we get into these charges, let's make sure our batteries are charged up and we good with our meeps, okay? So tap down in the comment section. Let me know how you feeling. 1 through 10. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Right now, I'm at a 9.001. Yes. 001. I'm at a 9, though. I'm good, okay? Hopefully, you guys are good, too. I got the Monday Blues. Feel me? I got my blue on. It's my favorite color. Got a brand new LA hat with the blue. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we on that. Let's go ahead and see what these 15 charges are. I ain't gonna hold you guys up. We getting straight to it, man. 1,000 likes, 26,000 views. You know how we need to run it up. Giveaway going down on the 21st.
An officer thought it would be another usual stop when he observed a vehicle with bright lights on. But when the driver refused to pull over and continued driving into an apartment complex, things started to get out of control.
You thought you was gonna be able to make it home with them behind you and say you wasn't driving? That's the only way you would pull that move, baby. Like, what are we doing? I know you see them lights behind you. Let's see what that's saying. Well, at least I know one of the charges. Not pulling over. Oh, is that the officer looking at that Rick Ross? Every day I'm hustling. Oh, he about to go to work. I can already tell he one of them officers. It's the nighttime. That's when the worst officer come out.
Get in your vehicle.
Yeah.
Get in your vehicle.
Sir.
I'm asking you nicely to get in your vehicle.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I don't understand.
I lit you up way back there. I'm not.
And I was just coming to a safe place.
That's fine. Don't jump out of the vehicle. I'm just hitting my siren.
I roll down my window.
Well, don't jump out of the vehicle. Chill out.
I was just trying to get to my papa who lives right here.
Well, you don't just keep driving.
Sir, I wasn't just keeping
Yes,
driving.
you were.
I was getting out of the way.
If you got your license on you.
Come in. I've got a paper from y'all.
The reason I pulled you over because you had your bright light on.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry. I've just got this car crunked today.
Okay,
At like 6
license.
o'clock. I've got a paper
Okay,
from y'all
license.
where I got a DUI in August.
Okay.
At the end of August. So let me find my paper, okay?
Have you got driver's license?
They took my driver's license, but I've not been to court yet.
Okay, let me see your paper.
Still whipping them chickens.
Or actually, you know what? It could be in my jacket pocket that's right down there hanging up in that closet.
Well, let's do this.
Straight ahead.
Man, shut up. Lady, you already got all of 50,000 excuses. My papa, right? You sound like Little House on the Prairie. Papa, Papa. I'm going to my papa house right there. I was getting out of the way for in case another car. Shut up. He let you back all the way up there. You come out, open the door with all excuses. My door don't work. My window don't work. I just got the car, such and such. I don't got no license. Y'all gave me. I don't got no court date yet. What? Slow down. You already got every excuse. You was driving thinking of everything you was going to tell that man when he popped out. And he's with the no sensory. He's with the no nonsensory, okay? Because the way he yelled at you is like a papa. I'm just saying.
What's your first name?
Heather.
What's your date of birth?
The officer knew that the Karen was hiding something,
Oh,
and it
Karen,
didn't take
huh?
him long to learn what was going on.
Alright, so your license are suspended.
Since when?
Code for.
You
Can
said they
tell me
took
when?
it.
Since your DUI.
Oh.
No, you don't. You refused impolite consent, so they're automatically suspended.
I didn't know that. I didn't refuse to go either
But I
that
mean,
night.
that's where we're at right now. So you'll be going to jail.
You
Oh.
don't have to take me
Yes,
to jail.
ma'am, I do.
I didn't know
Yes,
it.
ma'am, I do.
Please, sir.
Don't.
Sir,
No.
please, could you please listen?
No,
sir,
I'm not. We're past that.
Please.
Hey, I like this
Don't,
officer.
do not jerk away.
Officer King.
Do not jerk away from
Officer
me.
King. Could you please just talk to me?
No.
I am.
Stop
begging.
fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Put your hands behind
Sir,
your back.
I didn't know they were suspended, though. Don't
Yeah, you did.
hands.
No, you don't.
But why?
You're going to jail.
Sir, why am I going to jail? I didn't know my license was
You're about
suspended.
to make this out.
Please, Officer King.
Put your hands behind your back.
Shut
My
up.
grandfather.
Put your hands behind your back.
Down.
Stop.
Officer King.
Stop.
Officer King. Please don't
Stop.
do this. Please don't
Y'all
do
can
this.
step
Oh,
up.
you
She's
going?
fighting.
Oh, baby, what you doing?
You go get no. Don't get in there.
Oh, no, baby. She keep calling Officer King, Officer King. Like, baby, that ain't gonna help you. Officer King, ding-a-ling. Whatever you want to be, you the king of everything. Just let me go, baby, please. I got that southern accent and it ain't working. I don't care what color you are, boy, he giving you the business, baby. Like, you know you coming to see, he knew you was hiding something. Lady, you had a DUI. I thought you was just some little school teacher, like, no, you a DUI. You driving while drunk. You didn't know your license was suspended. You knew your license was suspended. Now it's about to get heavy and it's about to get real for you. Now you about to be in court even more. You about to have more courts, okay? And now you fighting, resisting with violence. You goofy, 15 charges though. Yeah.
Don't get in there. You're gonna get tased.
Oh, taser, baby, break it out. He got it. Yeah.
Fighting.
You can't.
She's fighting.
Get out.
Officer.
Yay! Use that mother. And she's out of money to go.
Taser deployed.
No.
Get out.
Oh, she said, boy, she a big one. She took that.
You can't do
Get out.
You can't do that.
this.
Heather, if you don't get out that car.
She just drove off. Taser deployed.
What?
Taser deployed.
What? Was not expecting this at all. Heather took off like a Karen. That's why he called her Karen.
Up in the parking deck. I mean,
Oh, baby, you in trouble. Papa can't save you. Look at her.
We're up in the. Up here.
You about to get tackled now, baby.
At the apartment. Get down. Get down.
Oh, now, come on. What you got, the real gun? You fail?
The genius ran into her apartment thinking it would keep the officers out. At least it wasn't the worst decision she made that night.
What? She run. This lady's crazy.
I didn't.
Stop trying to fight. Damn. Stop trying to fight.
I didn't.
You're gonna get it again. Turn over.
Give it to her.
Give me the other hand.
I didn't.
Yeah.
Kick it.
You can't breathe.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Shut up.
Please.
You done ran to the house and almost got everybody else in some shit.
Quit fighting.
I got you, Chance. I got you.
Why?
Ma'am, you just need to relax, okay? That's the issue. If you stop moving, they're going to get these handcuffs off of you and they're
I
going to
didn't
get on
know.
the floor.
We're about to.
Ready?
Yep.
I didn't know.
I didn't know.
Almost stop fighting.
Quit kicking.
I'm not kicking.
Hog tire. I don't care. She got to go.
I'm not suspended license.
Oh, so that gives you a good reason to act like a fool?
No, sir.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
talk to her.
I tried, but I didn't know they were suspended. I did not know they were. I didn't know they were suspended.
Well, maybe you should listen to the officer. Congratulations on these felonies.
But the same with you,
Felony.
Officer Huff. He wouldn't listen to me.
You tried to fight me from the get-go.
No, sir, I did.
It's all been
Yeah, you did.
Good.
Quit pulling away from me.
All I did was ask you why were you taking me to jail
Shut
for
up.
suspended license.
Because your license is suspended.
But y'all have. I didn't know they were suspended. I haven't went to court yet.
Don't matter. They got suspended for you refusing implied consent.
No, sir. I just found out that I have the right to go
Shut
for a hearing that
up.
I never knew about.
Take a seat.
Let me get some gloves.
All I asked was for him to talk to me.
And you followed him and tried to drove off.
No, sir.
You
He
did.
wouldn't talk to me, officer.
You don't have to.
He said,
You don't have to. He
but why?
does not have to. You
If I'm trying,
broke the law.
sir.
Man, shut your hog, Karen, Heather, up. You ain't running the show. You entitled. I don't know. You got a DUI already. You think, yo, you can get away with everything and put everybody else in jeopardy? You had a DUI, put people in jeopardy by driving on the road with a DUI. You get pulled over at a traffic stop, you run to your house. What if somebody would have got shot in your house, dummy? You put your other family members... Lock her up. Lock her up ASAP, because she got to learn this lesson the harder way. I'm sorry. Baby, you got to go to jail for at least 6 months of them. And you got felonies now. I hope you know that. She got to do at least 6 months hard time, okay? These type of people with this type of, you know what I'm saying, entitlement is going to put themselves right back on the road because I didn't know I was suspended. I thought I got the right. You got the right to tell me why. Lady, nobody just gets pulled over and run from a traffic stop and try to run in their house. You think that's okay. There's no way. There's no way. You too over there. I see you got the gray in your hair. That's no excuse, baby. Like, you goofy as hell. Like, I feel sorry for your family members. You put them in the trial. Man, listen, she got to do 6 months hard time. As a family member, I'm telling them to tell the judge she got to do that. Mandatory. She can't come back home.
I didn't break the law.
Now you got a whole
Yeah,
bunch
you
of
did.
felonies.
He said,
Bunch of
can you
felonies.
please
No.
talk to me? You know me.
No.
You know me.
Where's the other phone?
I am not like this. But my papa...
Listen very carefully. I'm going to pull that prong.
Yes, sir.
It is on your chest.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Officer, he said, you know me.
Turn around.
I asked him
Turn
plainly
around.
why.
Where's the other one at? I thought I saw it. All right, get in the car.
I asked him,
Get in the car. Get in the car. You're going to be put in the car. Get in the car.
officer.
Get in the car.
Yes, sir. Please talk.
Put your belly up and get in the car.
Please talk to
And
me.
shut the door. I don't want to hear her no more. Like, she
There's no
goofy.
reason to be so rude to me. I complied.
I'm rude to you.
The 41-year-old female was charged
41.
with failure to dim headlights, defective or no taillights, defective or no headlights, defective tires, reckless driving, failure to yield to emergency vehicle, fleeing or attempting to elude, aggravated assault, obstructing or hindering law enforcement officers, interference with government property, too fast for conditions, improper parking, windshield requirements, failure to obey traffic control device, and driving while license suspended or revoked.
Oh, no.
YouTube thinks you'll love our
Hold
video
on,
on
baby.
screen. Click to watch
Hold
now.
on. Hold on.
To deal about this.
Hold on.
The 41-year-old
They hit her with charges I ain't heard since the 1900s. Early 1900s. Defective or no taillights. Defective or no taillights. What the hell is a defective tire? This is what you call no nonsensory, baby. We gonna get you back because you ran from me. You made me run on duty, okay? Defective tires? I've never in my life heard of defective tires as a charge. Defective tires. Defective tires. Failure to dim lights. Defective or no taillights. Defective or no headlights. Defective tires. Reckless driving. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
female was charged with failure to dim headlights, defective or no taillights, defective or no headlights, defective tires, reckless
Defective.
driving, failure to yield.
Hold on. Failure to yield to the emergency vehicle, for sure. She's trying to say she didn't do that. Fleeing or attempting to elude, yes. Aggravated assault, yes. Obstructing or hindering law enforcement officers. That's another 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 9.
Yield to emergency vehicle, fleeing or attempting to elude, aggravated assault, obstructing or hindering law enforcement officers, interference with government property, too fast for conditions.
Too fast for conditions. Too fast for conditions, baby. Interference with government property. Improper parking. Windshield required. Boy, these are charges. What the hell? A defective tire and windshield requirements. Oh, yeah. I like this officer. This boy, this up with the Joliet, okay? He didn't care. You know me. I don't give a fuck if we slept together last night, Lisa. Heather. I gave you the dickery. You going to jail, okay? I'm just, what? I'm going to hit you with charges that you ain't heard of since 1901. I'm going to give you a charge of defective tire and windshield requirement. What? Sir, you can't do that. You know me. I know you real well, too. I don't care.
Improper parking, windshield requirements, failure to obey traffic control device, and driving while license suspended or revoked.
Can't make this up. Can't make it up. I don't care what color you are. When you get to know the coppery, you going down. You either going to jail, hell, or bail. No bail, hell, pale. Better call Uncle Dale. I don't know. I'm just saying, I love it. This is a good. This. Shout out to the subscriber that sent me this video. This is a good one. Who gets pulled over, fights the police officer, jumps back in the car, books it home, parks, tells the officer you can't, and just start booking it to the house, and then put your papa in jeopardy. Can't make this. You can't. I love it though. Keep on sending me these videos. I love it.